Sheikh, recently I've become part of this language speaking, language course for German, right? And in this course, there are 3 men, including me, and 3 women. And I was wondering if it's okay to go to this course and learn German, if there's these women here in this group, and is it permissible to interact with them as long as it's schoolwork and stuff like this? Jazakallah khairan.
And you live in Germany?
No, I live in Bosnia.
In
I'm
Bosnia?
just learning German in Bosnia, like a course.
Okay. First of all, necessity is determined by its nature. And this means that whenever we have to do something, and this thing may be haram, we cannot justify it by saying it's a necessity. Because we have to determine the level of necessity. A person who's hungry, and he has no other means to eat but a dead dog. We cannot advise him to eat until he reaches a level where it is critical for his livelihood. If he doesn't eat, he's going to die. He's starving to death. Plus, the fact that there is no halal food in the vicinity. But if he could walk for 15 or 20 minutes or half a day and find halal food, it is not permissible for him to eat from this dog. And if he's not starving, it's not allowed for him to eat from this dog. Only if he's starving and he's about to die and there is no chance of him getting any halal food in the foreseen future, he may take a bite or two only to sustain his life, not to have a feast on it and enjoy eating it. This is the necessity. Now, you're in Bosnia, and it's an Islamic country. Free mixing is not permissible. So we have to look into learning German. Is learning German one of the essential things in Islam? The answer is no. But I'm thinking of moving to Germany to look for work, Sheikh. And I need to speak German in order to do this. We have to look into your circumstances. If it is a necessity for you to travel to Germany and to learn, in this case we say you may indulge or go to participate in such a course. Your interaction with the opposite gender must be minimal. So you have to try your level best to ask the teacher to segregate you from the opposite gender and to limit your interaction with the other 2 or 3 men in that course. If this was not possible and it is a work group that you are forced to be involved with, then you have to lower your gaze, fear Allah Azza wa Jal, and keep it limited to what is needed without any socializing or chit-chatting or any of that sort, and Allah knows best.